how to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth. Today we're in this Mercedes GLK 350. It comes with Bluetooth talking, but it does not have Bluetooth streaming music. So I'm going to show you how we can add Bluetooth streaming music to this older Mercedes GLK 350 original system, okay? You can keep everything exactly the way it is. You do not need a new radio. You do not need to do any sort of modification to this existing radio. You can keep everything exactly the way it is, but add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio right here. You're going to add Bluetooth by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older car factory radio without any type of modification, okay? Simply connect my device to your phone, to your car, and pair it with your phone, and you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Let me show you how. To add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes Benz, all you got to do is plug in my gadget into your car. In this case, in this GLK, this Mercedes GLK, all you got to do is plug in my device into the 12-volt charger back here.
Bluetooth connected.
So we're gonna go back here. You can hear that we just did that. So let me do it again. So we just plug it in and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
That's it. That's all you had to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes GLK 350 original sound system right there. Okay?
Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it.
The phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car.
Through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Supply is very limited, so please get yours as soon as you can at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.